Okay, so today is March 5th.
Let's not lose this video like we lost the last one.
First of all, I was on your iPhone and you lost it. I never lose anything.
It was on the iPhone?
Yeah.
Oh.
So today's what?
Today's March 4th. Big B Marcos' birthday.
Aw. Marco, shout out.
Tomorrow's my brother's birthday. Happy birthday, Edward.
Okay. So we have stumbled upon DTF transfers that has changed our life forever. And
sorry kids.
this isn't for children. This is for our own archives. Get it, go.
Oh, that's where my stuff is.
Yeah, it needs to go to the cleaners.
Oh, okay.
I need to take it to the cleaners. So tell the people how much we made this month so far.
Well, so far since the 4th?
Check your phone.
5,000. Let me get my phone.
So some context. This is the office. Flash Custom Transfers is now back in the household. This is my wall that came down. Super sad. It's the office.
Sales 5,108, give or take.
Go to the.
I don't know.
Well, this is where it shows you right here, before fees.
Oh,
Total collected.
5,223.
So then us is this. And so go, you hit the month? So
Well,
for the month of March, we've made $5,000 in 4 days. So what does that project to a month? $30,000?
Yeah,
So we make about $1,000 a day.
Yeah.
So that's gonna make us $30,000 in a month.
Yes. So looking back to you, Carl.
Look, you can see what we made last month at this day.
Yeah.
So last month we made
Well, it says
previous
13,
month.
but it was
Oh,
more.
well, we need the
It
previous
was
month.
more. I don't know how to do the month.
Okay, well, never mind. The month before this, January, we made like $2,000. So our averages that we've been making is
The day. So
What's today?
there's another invoice paid.
Okay, well, refresh it.
See, as of March 4th,
Last month?
previous Friday. So we
430.
made that anyway.
March 4th, last month, we made $436.
This we made $1,446 today. So again, we're looking to the future. So when we look back in a year from now, those numbers should be 3,000 to 4,000 a day.
So to give some context, we were typically making $2,000 to $5,000 a month.
Yes.
2 to 5 a month.
January was $2,000.
Yes. So we would have our good months, bad months, 2 to 5. Nothing more, nothing less.
Yep. We went from 2 to 14 to 30.
Well, we haven't finished the month out, but so far it's looking so good.
Yeah.
And I can't breathe.
Because the sales are nonstop because of the videos.
Non-stop. This is where the magic happens.
Yep.
Salads. We run on salads and ginger ales.
Yep.
Psych, pizza and wings.
You should be filming with this, honestly.
Oh, babe got the new 13 Pro Max.
You should be filming with this.
Well, you're going to lose the footage. I need it on mine so I don't lose the
I ain't
footage.
gonna lose the footage. It's gonna be out here for a very long time, and then I'm gonna put it on the hard drive. It's on the hard
So, 13 Max. So, when we look at this like 5 years later, like the 13, you just got the brand new 13.
drive. It'll be a 14 next year.
No, I'm just saying in 5 years, it's going to be like,
Oh, I know.
that's old bone. But just to show some context, 2022, we are living the dream.
Yeah.
Hard work pays off.
You guys
We've
will
been.
see, and I'm gonna start because I know everybody's waiting. I'm gonna start. If Mama lets me take about $20,000. Go over to the Corvette dealership. And wham!
I need a car
I
first.
need it for the channel.
Let's see. So right now we have. What cars do we have? 2016 Toyota Corolla. Oh, great. Corolla. What you got, babe?
2015 Kia Optima.
You forgot.
Side swipe.
Swipe. There we go. Okay. White. Side swipe Kia 2015. So this is our starter. This
Yes.
3-4 months.
I thought about it when I was dropping off the deliveries. I was like, you know what? This would be a perfect little beater car. Just keep it to beat it. You know what I
I'm
mean?
just tired of paying on it.
Facts.
It's just not worth it. We have to pay on it every month.
Yeah.
So this is just the beginning of our life before it changes dramatically.
Let me get you.
Oh, okay. Give me with the pink background. So it looks good.
Oh yeah, you're gonna look back at yourself and be like, "Dang, I lost all of it."
60 pounds in 5 months. 5 months, 60 pounds. I am 202. That look skinny?
Yes.
No. So this is the start of our lives before it spirals out of control into the life we've always wanted.
Yeah.
And always prepared for and always talked about, manifested all of this. And nobody has a choice but to respect us.
Oh wow, she's going deep.
No, because we had this conversation the other day and I was like, man, we should be recording this. Everyone thinks we're nuts. Everyone thinks we're crazy. Our dreams are too big. What do you say, babe? I'm a big YouTuber. How many subscribers you got?
16,000.
Okay, let me turn it on you. Okay, I'm gonna tell my story real quick. So I think I'm 10 away from 3,000 right now. My channel got taken away because we were duplicating videos, which now I guess it does seem like a scam, but it was, we didn't know. So we were posting everything on both of our channels, monetized, making about $180 a month from my YouTube. Babe has grown his channel. Okay, let me do you. You've grown your channel to, what are you at right now?
16,000, we'll round up to 16,200.
200. So we'll look back on it and it was like, that's nothing, bro.
Yep.
That's nothing.
Road to 50K, road to 100K, but road to 50K first.
Yeah.
Road to 50K first. We'll be there.
That's crazy.
We'll be there. 20,000 by the end of March.
Oh my God. So, I can't even handle
Tomorrow,
to
we'll hit 20,000.
think that we will be making 30K this month.
I know.
Gives me goosebumps. Like I got goosebumps.
Because it's like, what else are we going to do the other months?
Hopefully,
that's a cap. To me, that's a cap because it's $1,000 a day. It's like, can we do $2,000 a day?
Yeah.
Can we average $2,000 a day?
wait till we add the stickers. I need help. I'm about to hire someone. I'm thinking in my head. I've been thinking all day, who can I hire to help me? Because this,
You know what's funny?
I think I'm at my cap.
You say that, right?
What I can handle.
You say that, right?
Yeah.
You say that out loud. I'm glad we're on camera. You say that, right? But you've done more work for somebody else for less money.
Not in a day.
Yes, you have.
You know how I would spread this shit out?
You've done more physical work as far as chopping up and doing da-da-da and running and da-da-da-da. You've done more work for somebody else for less money.
I disagree.
I know, because I remember.
No, I've never done this. The amount of man hours that I'm putting in on this computer and the amount of back and forth and really, I've never.
Think about it, though. How many hours? Because while I was at the movies, you left as well.
I sure did.
So
my point
it's
is,
really on like
I got a new purse.
It's really on
She's
like
over
4
there.
hours.
No, typical day. I told you I work 5 to 8 hours, but that's focused nonstop. If I go to an 8-hour job, I'm chilling. I only work maybe 2, 3, 4 hours.
When you said at Julie's, you was busting your butt.
Yeah.
Okay. So
I don't know.
doing schedules and all this other stuff.
I'm getting a headache thinking about being at
You're in your
Julie's.
house, so that right there for your job, and then versus in your house. So that right there.
This
automatically
house
is
is literally going to be different in a few months.
Yeah.
I'm going to do a walk around.
This house was lucky to us.
Yes, we love this house. I'm going to just do a quick walk around because we're going to be like, remember that house?
All right, the kids.
Look at this. This is like the most perfect setup here. We were like, when we first moved, we're like, we're going to make this a game room. Remember, babe? No, it is a money-making room. This is our hotel lobby, as Laura likes to call it, our hotel lobby. And then we've ordered, all of our money's going on food right now. You ready? This is all junk. I need to clean all this. All right, I love you. Our life is gonna change in 1 month.
Love you too, babe.
I'm scared. Bye.
Yeah, my birthday month. Hey.